The Lexus IS 500 2024 offers an elegant appearance combined with a sporty appearance. The new 2024 Lexus IS 500 is a high-performance four-door sports sedan decorated with several curves on the body that reflect toughness. The new Lexus IS 500 F Sport 2024 boasts a hood that is raised by almost 2 inches and has an aggressive power pull to accommodate the larger engine. Interior. Entering the cabin, you will find a magnificent and comfortable space warped in quality materials. In 2024, the Lexus IS 500 interior is decorated with an updated touchscreen that has been moved closer to the driver for increased ease of use. Engine. As a sports sedan, the 2024 Lexus IS 500 uses a powerful engine in the form of a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine that produces 572 horsepower of power and produces a maximum torque of 395 lb/Vt. The V8 engine feels sluggish the first time you hit the gas and does the job it should at high revs. 2024 Lexus IS 500 price. Lexus has not provided official information regarding the price that will be offered for the latest generation 2024 Lexus IS 500 price. Some upgrades can increase the price that will be offered. The new Lexus IS 500 F Sport is expected to cost around $57,500.